Katie.
And I'm Doug.
We're here to tell you about Tom Knight's new multimedia school assembly.
It's about kindness and bullying prevention, and it's called Upstander. I forget though, what's an upstander?
Someone who stands up to the bullies.
Right.
People are probably wondering if there is music in the show.
Yes, there are 7 brand new songs by Tom Knight about what bullying is and acts of kindness.
Wow, that sounds awesome.
I know, right? There will be music videos and cartoon skits featuring us, because it's a multimedia show, right?
Right.
Why did we leave out?
Well, this is an educational show with serious subject, but it's also fun.
I like fun.
There will be movements we can all do together and singing along, and volunteers from the audience, and jokes.
I like jokes. How can people book the show?
Just fill out the contact form at tomknight.com.
Perfect. We hope to see you soon.
See you soon.
Standing up, they were upstanders. They were upstanders. They were upstanders. Standing up.